Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Tricia Jean Marmol Castillo, 27 years old, married. I am a mother of two boys aged 10 and 2 years old. I am from San Pablo City, Laguna, Philippines. I am a hardworking, honest, patient, and responsible person. I have 5 years experience working as a helper. I finished my contract with one family who had two children aged 5 and 2 years old. My main duties were cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, folding clothes, cooking and marketing, car washing, take care of one dog, and also help take care of the children. From my experience, I learned that honesty, patience, hard work, and good time management is very important to do my job well. To my future employer, I promise to serve your family with honesty, respect, and dedication. I will do my best to keep your home clean, organized, and to take care of your children. Thank you for considering my application. God bless.